Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Heather Gearhart. Thanks for stopping by. Today we are testing out the Tati Beauty new eyeshadow palette. I did order it on the day that it launched, which was October 25th, and it arrived today, November 4th. So if you're interested in my thoughts, stay tuned and let's do this. So we're gonna open it up and there it is. So if you're watching this video, you've probably seen a million of these already with swatches. So I'm not gonna do a swatch on my arm with every single one of these. So loud. Not gonna do a swatch on my arm with every single one of these because I feel like it's been overdone. Or not overdone, but just enough of it. It's actually smaller than I expected it to be. I don't know why everybody was saying they were so huge. And because like I have a Morphe palette right here, and in comparison, it is definitely smaller. So let's see how the colors, it's kind of a matte suede black, really nice feel. It's gonna get filthy, but it is beautiful to begin with. Has kind of the copper little flecks in it. So fun. Okay, volume 1. Big, huge mirror, which is super nice. There's the colors. I'm gonna hold this up to the Morphe one and show you pan size. I would say these are pretty identical to the pan size of a Morphe palette. This one has 24 shadows, and this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 35. So, and these are actually pretty similar, but there's definitely not the glitters and stuff in here, more of a shimmer. But that's your comparison there with a Morphe one. And we're just gonna I have nothing on my eyes, so we're just gonna try this out. I got this to see if I could wear these at my daughter's wedding this weekend, and I was getting a little nervous it wasn't going to arrive in time because we're leaving on Thursday, and this is Monday, but it did. So let's put these on the eyes and see what it looks like. Okay, so I do have a primer on. I just used the Milani primer, and then I also bought this glitter primer from NYX, and so we'll put a little bit of that on before we do the glitter. I'm gonna get out my brushes here. All right, so I'm gonna use probably the same transition shade that everybody else is using, which is the Matte Soothe, this one right here, and we're just gonna fluff it into the crease a little bit. They're definitely powdery, dusty. I have heard that they're extremely pigmented, so I probably should have tapped that lighter. But here we go. Since I've already done the rest of my makeup today, I am gonna try and not get fallout with glitter. We'll see. I did hear that there was some, a little bit of fallout with the glitter, but not a lot, and I mean, I've yet to find a glitter that doesn't have some fallout. So ideally, I would have been doing this eye makeup look way before the foundation and the rest of the makeup. But I was getting on 1 o'clock today, and I have errands to run, and I needed to get busy. And if it didn't come today, I was just going to not do this today. And then I'm gonna try the Matte Aura, which is just this really light cream one down here, just up under the brow bone here a little bit. This is a Real Techniques tiny little brush. I love it for getting up under the brow bone. I gotta say, I know everybody's on the Tati bandwagon with, oh, this is so amazing and awesome, but as far as something blending up into my crease right there, nothing has blended that easily. I usually get this weird patch right here where it just does not want to go there's no pigment. It doesn't want to stick, and it drives me insane because I can't seem to get it to be smooth right there, and I wasn't even really trying, and it's totally smooth in there. And it's pretty amazing, actually. You know, it's a beautiful color, definitely warmer toned. There's not a lot of cool tones in here. There's some, but not a lot. It's definitely a warm, neutral palette here, but I like it. And I do like the highlight, Brow Bone highlight color. Looks a lot like the L'Oreal single that I use. But pretty. Okay, so now I'm gonna do, for my daughter's wedding, I'm wearing a burgundy dress. So what I think I'm gonna do is put a little bit of the Poet metallic on the lid, and then on top of it, I think I'm gonna do the metallic aura. So like these two together, oh, just experimenting. I don't know that I would actually use, those glitters are very glittery. Oh, I'm just gonna try it out here. If I just put doing this really gingerly because I just don't want to get a bunch of fallout. Definitely blends really pretty. Nice on the eyes there. Let's see if we spray it a little. It gets, oh yeah, way more intense if you spray it. Nice and pretty. Okay, so now let's try a glitter. I'm gonna put a little glitter glue down, and then I'm gonna use my finger. All right, I'm gonna do the Soothe color in the glitter up here. Whoa. A little goes a long way. Holy cow, that's a lot of glitter. It's beautiful. It's a lot of glitter. And with the glitter glue, I have one tiny fleck of glitter under my eye, and that's it. And I think I actually tried to wipe it off with the hand that had glitter all over it and got more glitter in the inner corner. But that is not from, that's not her fault. It got just glitter all over me. Okay, so yeah, definitely do this. Lord, I have glitter all over my hands now. Very pigmented, look at that. Oof. I wanted to try this out because I felt like, you know, all the PR people that it got sent to, even though they don't claim to be experts in applying eye makeup, they kind of are. I mean, they do it all day long. And while I am not a beginner at applying eye makeup, I am really not, you know, highly skilled at it. So I thought this would be a good experiment to have kind of an everyday gal trying it out. Now I'm gonna take a little pencil brush and go for the inner corner highlight and using the metallic aura, which is just that kind of champagne color. Very pretty. I'm glad I got this a few days before because I want to try a few more looks with this before I decide on which one I'm actually gonna do for the wedding. But it's pretty, it definitely, I mean, that black is black. I need to blend that a little better. But I'm gonna do the rest of it, come back, give you my final thoughts on this palette and whether I think it's worth it. All right, I'll be back in a minute. All right, I am back and I finished it, and I actually kind of toned it down the pink with the metallic ritual color, which is this one. So basically on my eyes, I have this in the brown bone highlight. I have this one, I have this one, that, a little black, this is a transition, and this glitter. So I used a lot of the colors, and this is only my first day. So, do I recommend this? I think it's stunning, and I'm so happy that it came in time for my daughter's wedding, because I'm gonna play around the next several days with this. I have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 5 more days, and then the wedding, and so we're gonna see if it works. So I absolutely love it. I think you should check it out. It is beautiful, it blends well, and I think it's pretty unique. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, share it with anyone you might think would be interested in checking this out, and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified of videos that I post, which happen every Tuesday and Thursday. Otherwise, I hope you're having a great day, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.